Welcome back to Nowhere Fast Garage, home of the slowest moving mechanic in all of YouTube. Just kidding, I'm not a mechanic at all. I'm just a hack who likes to do things myself because I'm cheap. So anyway, this is a 2011 Suburban, and we did a big excursion with this summer. We drove it from New York to Tennessee, and the car was great. There was really no issues with it at all. And when we got back home, it was like a 16-hour drive home. We hit all kinds of traffic. Of course, just getting back into New York was most of it. And noticed the front trim, there's like a trim, a black trim that was down here. And got home, and the next day came out, noticed it was completely gone, which I thought was strange because don't remember, you know, you would think if something like that fell off while you were driving, you would run over it and you would notice. But my guess is that one of the times we pulled into a gas station, convenience store or something, it must have got hooked on one of those concrete parking curbs or something and just backed out and didn't notice. So anyway, I found they have them on Amazon, so that's where I got this one. It was pretty cheap. It's about $45. I got acorns pelting me here. So I'm going to attempt to put it on. Looks like it mostly just clips on, and then there's maybe a screw at each corner, which of course is missing. So we'll see how this goes on and how it looks, and just do my little review on it. So this trim has these little tabs, and they push into these little slots, these little holes here. So we're going to do that first. It looks like some of it might have broken off here. Maybe that was part of how we lost it, the other one. So there was actually one of these type of little push things on this side. The other side, I didn't see anything. So this is what holds the edge up. So they sent me, you know, the wonderful quality stuff from Amazon. They sent me a broken trim piece. This is supposed to go out to here, but as you can see, it's cracked off, and someone conveniently probably returned it, and lucky me, I got it. So this is why we call this channel Nowhere Fast Garage, because there's no quick fixes to anything. There's pretty much a problem every time. So after I deal with the Amazon return department, which is a wonderful experience, we'll get another one shipped out, hopefully, and we'll do it all again. It's been about 2 weeks, and they sent me another front valence. This one is complete, not broken, as far as I can tell. So I'm going to be snapping it back in. You just snap these tabs into the slots, and this helps a little bit, or you can just kind of like push it in. And then I was missing one of these pins, and there's only one left, so temporarily I'm going to use this screw on the other end until I get some more of these. I have the correct thing in there. Alright, so we're back in business here. The holes on each end didn't really line up, so good old self-tappers to the rescue. So we should be good to go until we hit the next parking thing. Anyway, this is the one I got. It was on Amazon. It was pretty cheap and looks close enough to OEM for a 12-year-old truck. So good to go, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.